Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Just June 2021, first variant and question number 10 in the past paper. And what the question is asking here, equation of circle is given. He said find x coordinate of the point AB where circle intersect the x-axis. And basically what is the criteria? If the circle cut this way, this one x-axis, so here and y0, you know very well, y0, y0, y0. And it cut the y-axis, so here x0. X0. It means current situation, we have to plug in what 0, Y0. These are very clear. Okay. So now it means this, I will plug in Y0 in the whole equation. So when I plug in Y0, so naturally this gone and this gone because 0 into 6 and 0 something. And what I get ultimately minus 77 is equals to 0. 77, so you know 11 sevens are 77. 11 7 times, okay? And if I subtract them, I get a -4. You can go for factorization or quadratic formula. So I believe is nothing hard. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. I get x minus 11 and x plus 7. I have done and I got two answers, one -7 and one positive 11. Okay, now this part is done. He said x coordinates of the point AB. So this first part is done. A part is over. And now he's asking point of intersection of the tangent to circle at AB. Okay, this one point is this and one this, and you know it very well. Common sense buys 0 for both. So I can say here A coordinate is x -7 and 0, and B coordinate is coming 11 and 0. This is not compulsory to write. Make sure, okay? This is not a compulsory to write. Main thing is this one he was asking. That's it. So this is first part is done. Now I'll just show you, although this diagram, what I'm going to make it is not a compulsory, but before I start, I'll go for center of circle. How to find x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y and minus 77 is equal to 0. And we always compare with special form is called expanded form. Plus 2gx plus 2fy and fy and plus c equal to 0. If I compare these two equations, so this -4 equal to 2g and this 6 is equal to 2f. And this is c value. So I believe it is nothing hard. So 2g equals to -4. 2 divides, I got a -2. 2f is equal to 6 and f is equals to 3. So c value is naturally -77. Though radius is not asking, okay, and I think there's no need to go for radius even. So center, what is center of circle, students? So in this format, center circle is -g, -f. It means this, I must change the signs. How come? When this -2 comes here, so negative, positive. And this 3 comes here, so I get a -3. I believe this point is clear. So now I'm going to make a circle, equation of circle center is very clear. And these numbers also clear. This negative means it is a clear, it's a cutting somewhere, like it is coming below. Hold on. I show you what is the planning, how I can make a diagram. Let's say this is a circle. Roughly, I will make it. Okay, and center of circle is here, which is this number. So x is negative, x is 2 and y is -3. So and these numbers are one positive and one negative. And this 0, 0 means a line, okay, here. So, but this is 2. So this is a positive 2 and y is negative. This -3 is telling us our x-axis is somewhere here. Okay, it's somewhere here. All right, and if or even I make slightly here so you can understand. This diagram I drag down. You know why dragging down, sir? Because I know that this point is very clear, -7, and this point is very clear, 11, 0. And now I can sense here, look at this is a tangent. This is a tangent. Let me make it. This is a tangent. Okay. And this is a second tangent. 1 minute, please. That might to make it second tangent. And I drag slightly because it is not touching. Okay. So, students, this is very clear now. I'm going to make, this is a radius. Let me show you blue color. This is called radius. This is called second radius. For your knowledge, angle between tangent and radius always 90 degree. Radius and tangent always 90 degree. And this is a point is our target. So this is C for intersection I'm looking for. Okay, this is A, this is B, or I call this as a D, as a center of circle. Okay, one thing is clear, I taught many times, this is 2. So because this is a, this 0, 0 mentions that this line parallel, this is a parallel to, this is actually x-axis. So what is x value, student, here? Remains same x value here. Okay, y value we don't know. So we can find it, but I have two options. One option, I will find both equation of tangent, tangent 1, and the second is here, tangent 2, and I will solve them simultaneously. I get this answer. One choice. Second choice, I know that this x value is 2, 2, 2, x value is 2, x value is 2, x remains 2. Only y value will change by going up and down. So x value is confirmed, y I don't know. What is the method? I will find one equation of tangent, and when I have it, I will plug in 2 inside and I get a y coordinate. This is another choice. We have a 2 plannings. So let's try to do that planning. So have a look here, and I will show you both techniques. Okay. So first of all, what is the method to do now, students? I will go for this equation. So what is the radius of radius gradient of the BD? Or I can say that R for radius. So y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. I got a 3 divided by 9, and I got a gradient of radius becomes 1 over 3. 1 over 3 is coming for this. And this turned to be naturally negative reciprocal. So gradient of T1 stands for tangent 1, and that is negative reciprocal. 3 will go up, y will go down, and sign will change. So I got a negative 3. So this is a tangent 1 gradient. I will use this coordinate and this to find equation of tangent T2. So equation of tangent T2, which I'm finding now. Formula, obviously know it, y minus y1 equal to m time to x minus x1. So which point I will use? Naturally, 0 will come in the place of y1, 11 will come in the place of x1. So y minus 0 and x minus 11, and this comes from here. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, I got minus 3x plus 33. And this is equation of tangent. And you know very well, at this point, x is 2. How to find y value? So not a hard job. If I plug in, so 4 point of intersection, I will put x equal to 2. When I plug in 2 inside, I will get as negative 6 plus 33, and I got a 27. So y becomes 27. So point of intersection is coming, x is 2, y 27. This is my final answer. Second method is what? I found this equation of line, tangent, sorry. Same way I'll find this gradient. Okay, and this gradient, and then I'll find out this gradient and use this point and find second equation of tangent, and I'll solve them simultaneously both, and I will get 2 and that. But make sure, student, make sure, the very important point. If this y value, not same. For example, these two y values are different, then this number cannot be same. Make sure. What is the logic behind it? Because this line is x itself x-axis, so it means this 0 0 same. For example, 2 2 same. For example, 10 10 same. So what is x value here? Here same x value. Okay, this is very clear. Otherwise, we have to go for long method. And Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, I think you got a point clear, and question is completely